I feel the smell. I wish my mom was feeling that. She would love it.
Okay. This is
It's
what
different. It's different.
It's a different taste.
It's a new taste. You think it's a new taste for you?
Yes, but if I were to compare it with a taste, it's a little bit like cough syrup with alcohol.
Coffee?
No, cough syrup. Like
Oh, I know. Cough syrup. Oh.
like if you have a cough and you take the liquid to, it tastes a little bit like that with alcohol, but it's strong.
I see.
So I could see sipping on that. Yeah, that is. I would give that like a 8.5.